I'm Rachelle, an herbalist and holistic health practitioner and your host of Plant-Based. Today, I'm going to tell you about the most delicious, nutritious, incredible meal that's perfect for travel. This salad is amazing to make if you're on the go. It doesn't get soggy, it stays fresh for hours after you make it, and prepping it in advance means you don't have to chase down a healthy meal while you're traveling, steering clear of restaurants, or just plain out and about. Some of the ingredients that we have in this recipe are a base of kale. You can also use some other cruciferous vegetables if you want, but I highly recommend kale. It is sturdy enough that it's gonna stand up over a few hours or longer if you're traveling on a longer trip. On top of that, I love to use more raw vegetables. You can use soft raw vegetables, things that are nice to like munch on and crunch on and have this variety and also have all the different nutrients that you get from different vegetables. Things like bell peppers, zucchini, cucumber, tomatoes, mushrooms, cabbage. The sky is the limit. On top of that, I love to do one baked veggie. So typically something soft, starchy, a little bit sweet. Think squashes, sweet potatoes, yams, but you want that nice sort of complex carbohydrate, that good mouthfeel, and that sort of treat mixed into the salad. It's a great balance for some of the more savory ingredients. And then it's really nice to top it with things that you love. So do you love olives? I love olives. Top it with olives. Artichoke hearts, avocado. You could also top it with nuts and seeds. We'll do a little bit of fruit today. So let's make this veggie extravaganza. De-stem one bunch of kale, any type, and add to a big mixing bowl. Cover thoroughly with sea salt and massage forcefully until the kale becomes bright green, soft, and about half the size it was originally. Chop about 5 cups of mixed veggies into bite-sized pieces. That could be zucchinis, carrot, bell pepper, anything that's in season or anything that you're inspired by. Baked squash, again, any kind you like. That can be kabocha, butternut, sweet potato, yam, acorn squash. Mix all veggies in your mixing bowl and dress lightly with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Separate into Tupperware for your travel. Top with whatever you decided to add. Avocado, olives, artichoke hearts, apples, and optional toppings can be fresh fruit, dried fruit, nuts, seeds. The sky's the limit. All right, so this is my favorite, guys. This is my salad. We're like best friends. I've been making this for years and years and years and years, kind of for lunch and always for travel. It's so beautiful. Also, you can hardly call it a salad. Look at, it's the rainbow of produce and it all tastes so good. I don't even know where to start. Artichokes, apples, olives, avocado. And I mean, how could you go back once you make this? It's just joy.
It is joy and health and olives. Cheers.
For more episodes of Plant-Based, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.